Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by assembling ingredients and moving immediately into action. Sift 200 g flour, 150 g sugar, and 1/2 tsp salt to aerate. This prevents lumps and gives lift. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees C and grease a 20 cm pan so it won't stick. In a separate bowl, beat 2 eggs with 120 ml milk and 80 ml oil until smooth. This liquid mix hydrates flour and carries fat for tenderness. Once done, fold wet into dry with gentle strokes. Don't overmix, that keeps crumb light. You now focus on texture and flavor. Pour the liquid into the dry and fold using 10-12 strokes until streaks vanish. Overworking develops gluten and toughens cake. Then add 1 tsp vanilla or the zest of 1 lemon to brighten flavor, or 50 g cocoa for chocolate. Additions change batter density, so adjust bake time slightly. Once mixed, scrape the bowl clean and smooth the top. Tap the pan twice on the counter to pop large air bubbles, which ensures even crumb during baking. You finish by baking and learning to recover from issues. Place the pan center oven and bake 25-30 minutes at 180 degrees C. Insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. Once removed, cool 10 minutes in the pan so structure sets, then invert onto a rack to cool completely. This prevents sogginess. If the cake sinks or cracks, make sure your oven runs true to temperature and that you didn't overmix. Adjusting bake time or reducing leavening slightly often fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.